Hi students, I want to show you how to attach a Google Doc or a Word doc to an email. First, you go to your email account. In this case, I'm going to show you my Gmail. You're going to click on Compose or Write an Email. And here you're going to type who you want to send your document to. All right, and your title can be My Google Doc, or you can write my paragraph, my attached paragraph, something like that. And then you can say your greeting. Hi, Shauna. Here is my paragraph. All right. And then when you're ready, you can go down to the bottom of the email. Let me show you there. You see the bar here? Let's show you the Google Doc first. So here is the icon for how to insert a file using the Drive, okay? Google Drive, that is where you store your Google Docs. And if you click on your recent Google Doc, that means what did you work on the most recently? So for me, I worked on yesterday. So I'm going to click on there, this document here from Google Drive, and then I'm going to click the blue insert button on the bottom left, and there is my document from my Google Drive. If you also want to attach a file for a Word document, you're going to go down to this little paperclip icon. Can you see this little picture here, this icon? Click on Attach Files. Now these are all the documents in my Word. Again, I can click on Recent. What did I work on recently? And I'm going to click on Job Fair Flyer. Click. So it becomes blue. Go to the bottom here, choose for upload. That means it's moving now from my computer into my email. And here's the little bar that's showing me it is doing its job. And now it's ready. If you think, oh no, I attached the wrong file, you can click on this little X here to click there and then start again. You can attach another file here for your Word document. When you're ready to go, you can just click on Send. And that's it. Thanks, everybody.